This is going to be a video tutorial on how to rotate pictures in Inkscape. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to Inkscape here. I have Inkscape opened up now. I have a picture on my canvas here. To rotate pictures in Inkscape, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is left click on the image to select it. I'm going to left click on it. Now as you can see, I have it selected. It has the straight arrows all the way around it. Now to rotate it, all you have to do is left click on it again. I'm going to left click again. And as you can see, these arrows have changed to circular arrows. And all you have to do is grab one of those circular arrows. I'm going to place my mouse cursor over this one up here. I'm going to hold down my left mouse button. I'm holding it down, and then you either drag up or drag down. I'm going to let go of my left mouse button now. That is how to rotate pictures in Inkscape. Thanks for watching.